Hi guys, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Google Analytics in your WordPress website. So first of all, you can see here that this is the dashboard of my WordPress website. So let me open it up, Google Analytics. Once you are searching on browser, you will be getting this first link, Google Analytics. You will be redirected to this screen, and here you can see that we have an option of Get Started Today. So just click on this button, and then after you should choose a Google account. So let me choose this one for now, and then you need to put the password, and here you can add the name of your account. So maybe for example, whatever your website name, you can put that one here also. So let's say I am adding a test name, so Test Analytics, and scroll down and keep this also if you want, and then click on next. Here you have an option, so add the same name. For example, I am adding Test Analytics, and choose the time zone, and then click on next. And here we have an option of selecting a industry, so you can choose whatever industry you are in. For now I am adding shopping industry, and then click on number of employees in your business, and then click on next. Here we have multiple reasons that what are the objectives of your business. So for example, for now I have the objective for generate leads, and then, or maybe I can also see this one. So all these options are applying for now, and then click on create. And then we have an option of selecting the checkbox of accepting this policy. Once you are reading all this, and then you should click on this checkbox, and then after scroll a little bit down, and here we have another. So read it and then click on I accept. And here we go. Now you can click on website, or maybe you can skip for now, and then click on continue to home. So for now we are interested to do it for our website, so click on web, and here we have to add the website name, and then you can also put the stream name. Once you are done, then you can actually save the changes, and that's it. That's how you will be creating your analytics account. Then after, you should go back to the dashboard of your WordPress website, scroll down, and here you can see we have plugins. Click on add plugin, and here you should search SiteKit. Google has already provided this plugin, which is helping us to connect our Google Analytics to our WordPress website. So let's click on install now. Once this is installed, then you can click on activate. Here you can see that this is activated. So once you have installed your SiteKit, then you can click on SiteKit, and here you will see this kind of option. So we are interested to connect our Google Analytics, so just check this checkbox, and if you want to share the data, you can check this checkbox. For now I am not interested to enable it, so let's leave it as it is. Then click on sign in with Google. So here we have multiple accounts. For now I am connecting this one because I have created my analytics account with this email ID. So let me use this one, and then you can click on continue, and here you need to select all these checkboxes and click on continue. And here we go. Here it says you are already verified. If not, then you can click on verify, and then click on next. Click on next. Here again we are clicking on next, and then click on next. So that's how we are actually connecting our Google Analytics to WordPress account. Here in this screen you can see that the data has been fetched, because I already told you that I created one account for my website. So that was this one, MR Digitals. So this was my website. I already created the account for that, so that website is already linked. So that's why I got this option. So you can choose whichever account you created from here. I need to choose MR Digitals because my website name is mrdigitals.com. Then we have the property name, and then we have web data stream. So then you should click on complete setup, and that's it. Now you can see that we have all the analytics data here. So here below you can see that last 20 days. So here you can see that we have last 28 days traffic, and we will have multiple things down below. You have all the links which are searched on your website, You can also check the content, you can check speed, you can check monetization options. So for now I have not connected any AdSense account, so I will not have that kind of monetization related stuff. So you can actually review all those details right here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you have any issues related to WordPress or Shopify, so you can message me. I will help you out in that. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.